but you know, your girl been busy. Anywho, let's get straight into this look that was inspired by Joker, this green and purple look. I'm gonna start off with these brows, and y'all done seen me do my brows so many times, so I'm gonna just let y'all sit back and watch. Using this Absolute eyebrow pencil that I got from Amazon, and the color is Smoke. Some color to these brows for a little razzle dazzle, you know what I'm saying? You can get this wax off Amazon. I do not know the name of it, but yeah, just search hair color wax on Amazon. Next, I'm taking LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Toffee, and I'm just going to use this to clean up the brow. I'm using Plouise Rumor Base 5 to prep the eyelid and get ready for the shadow application. This is the 35C palette by Morphe, and I'll be using the light purple color out of here to start off with. this is the Rainbow palette by Morphe. I'm going to take this dark purple color out of here and use this as my crease color. So I'm applying this color to my crease, and first I'm gonna pack it down, and once I get the desired intensity, then I'll go back in with the light purple and blow the edges out by blending it so there'll be no harsh lines. Now I'm back using the Rumor 5 base by Plouise, and I'm going to use this to cut out my crease. What I do is stamp it first, and then I'll go back and clean the line up. That other crease over there looking a little crooked, but don't worry, I'll go back in and clean it up later. This matte green color out of the Morphe Rainbow palette, and I'm gonna lay that down as a base, and then I'll go on top of it with a green shimmer. Using the dark purple, I'm going to blend out the outer corner, and then I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line. This is the NYX Epic Liner Pen in black, and I'll be using this to do my wing. lashes is a black mascara that I got from Sephora. Have a look without the lashes, right? So these are lashes that I got from Barbiely, and this is some duo lash glue that I'll be using to apply the lashes. Got the Maybelline Fit Me in the color 360 on the foundation, and the lighting in my bathroom is weird, so it's making the foundation look weird, but just trust the process, it's gonna work out. Same concealer that I use on my brows, which is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Toffee, and we're going to use this color to highlight the face. This is a black opal foundation stick in the color Ebony. Ow. We're going to use this to contour. Now that we got the highlight and contour laid out, we gotta blend that shit, like really blend that shit. A translucent powder in the color medium deep to set the highlight. Now I'm using NYX matte finishing spray, and I'm gonna spray my face lightly, and then I'm gonna go back and do some more blending. Black Radiance highlighter palette. It's a purple color in here that I'm gonna use. I love this color, it's so pretty. Joker hair. Let's get it. Finna go into the lips with this crayon case color. It's a matte purple, and I think the name of it is called wedat. And then I got a little glitter, green glitter I'm gonna put on there for a little razzle dazzle. Y'all know I'm extra. Yes, this look is very much giving me Joker vibes. It gave what it was supposed to give, okay?